My name is Alun Davies and I'm the Assembly Member for Blaenau Gwent. I've been a member of the Constitutional Legislative Affairs Committee for the last 2 years or so. For me, it's one of the most influential committees in the Assembly, and I enjoy the work that we do because we take both a very broad and a very narrow view of what is done here in the Assembly. We take a very narrow view of the quality of legislation, looking at the detail of what has been proposed by the government and spending time scrutinising what government are doing and what government are saying, and also how government are trying to legislate. But at the same time as doing that, we take a very broad and wide view of what government is seeking to achieve in Wales and how Wales is governed. We look at the wide, broad brush of European policy in Wales, and I've enjoyed the work that we've done looking at the way the United Kingdom government has been renegotiating our membership of the European Union, something that's enormously important for my own constituency and for people across Wales. At the same time, I think the report that we've done into both making laws in Wales and how Wales will be governed in the future have both set agendas for government here in Wales and the United Kingdom government. Certainly the report that we published a few weeks ago on the Wales Bill was very influential in shaping the way the Secretary of State responded to that. And by playing this role, making the case, if you like, for the best form of government possible in Wales, I think this committee does a job that's absolutely invaluable, both for today and the future.